Hey guys, we're back with another episode today, and today we're going to talk about WRBs that you want to use behind open joint cladding systems. And at Dörken, we do have three technically available. Two of them are mechanically attached. One is Delta Facade S, and the other one is Delta Facade S Plus. Both products are mechanically attached. They're both designed for open joint cladding systems to give you that nice black reveal behind it. When you're choosing an WRB for open joint cladding system and you know the WRB is going to be exposed to UV light, you want to choose the proper one. Otherwise, it's going to get damaged. This product is designed for up to gaps up to 2 inches wide and 40% of the entire surface of the building. The product can be installed directly against exterior sheeting, or a lot of times is used in combination with an air control layer against the sheeting, exterior insulation, then Delta Facade S, girth systems, extrusions, whatever it is that you're going to be using for your final cladding. And that's technically what's going to hold the product in place. The product is made out of polyester with a special UV acrylic coating on it. We also have some accessories for the product. So we have the facade tape that you can use at all overlaps when you have the membrane. We have also flashing for your windows available in 4 and 9 inches. So you can detail the whole window using the same type of product with adhesive on the back. Again, UV stable, specifically designed for this application. With the Plus version, the additional benefit is that you have an adhesive edge in the front. So when you do an overlap, you're going to have on the bottom of the roll, you're going to have adhesive on the back. So you have an adhesive to adhesive overlap. So then there is no additional tapes necessary. Again, both products are mechanically attached and are available through Dörken systems here in North America. And if you have any questions, please visit our website, find your local sales rep, give them a call. They'll be more than happy to talk to you and give you any information that you require. Thank you and take care.